Mike with your open house team. We're in Haines City, Florida at the Tarpon Bay community by Park Square Homes. Behind me is the Excite model. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath home, 1,520 square feet. Most exciting part is a 4.99 interest rate. Let's go check this out. So great entrance when you come in, very wide halls. And on your first right, you have a linen closet. And then you have 2 bedrooms on this side. So this is the first bedroom. This is the front of the house. You got a front-facing window. You got a nice decorative wall that they did for the model home here. If you like soccer, this might be the wall for you. And let's head on over to the other bedroom. We do have a full shared bath right here. You got a single sink, obviously your shower, tiled shower. This is the second bedroom right here. Side-facing window, decent-sized closet, deep enough for you to put enough clothes in there. It goes beyond this wall a little bit, so actually my whole arm is out there, so you got plenty of room for all your clothes in there. Let's go check out the kitchen and the laundry room. So keep walking down. This is the laundry room right here. Comes with a washer and dryer standard with this house. All the appliances come actually, so nice little touch right there. So saving some money when you buy a new home here. So this is the gathering room right here. So you see plenty of room for all your furniture needs. Got a back-facing window, very large window too, so you can see anything out there. Obviously this view is the model, so it has a nice water feature. So maybe you look for a lot with a water feature. We could help get you those if you want some. This is the dining room right here, right onto the kitchen. And another nice little feature for this house is the outlets here have USB ports. And not all of them, but most of them. And it's a nice little touch that they did. So don't have those little cubes, somebody loses it around the house. You can plug it right into the outlet. You're good to go. Sink in the kitchen island right here, stainless steel appliances, all standard with the house. Very nice cabinets, deep pantry right here. But let's go check out that primary bedroom. And this is the primary bedroom. Large bedroom, you got a back-facing window. So you can see plenty of room for a dual nightstand, king-size bed, walk-in closet right here, and an ensuite full bath. And this is the full bath right here. So you got a single sink, large mirror, walk-in shower, a little bit of a step down too so the water doesn't pool up too much. Hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful home here in Haines City, Florida. This model will be built in other communities all throughout Central Florida. So if you're thinking about calling Central Florida home, give us a call. Look forward to being your trusted real estate advisors.